Alright, so in this lesson we are going to identify and interpret slope and y-intercept again of a linear relation given a graph, but this time like the intervals are not always going to be 1. You'll see what I mean when we start. So Annabelle goes to a carnival. She pays to get in and pays to get on the rides. So we have the total cost on the y-axis and the distance. Ooh, this should be the number of rides. Number of rides. Okay, better. And so my y-intercept is 0 comma something. 0 comma 12. Now, the first thing you'll notice is that this sometimes jumps. I couldn't really draw this. Normally there's like this little mark that means you jumped up. So I jumped up to 10, and it looks like I'm counting by 2s. 12, 14, 16. Okay, so in this one, 0 comma 12. So she goes to the carnival, she pays to get in, she pays to get on rides. So this is 0 rides, is $12. So this means just to get in, it costs Annabelle $12. Not too bad. Not too bad at all. And constant rate of change slope. Okay, so let's find some nice. Okay, right here. Now it looks like we would go up to right 3. It looks like up to right 3. Like up to right 3. I can't even do this right. But that's wrong. I'm going up 2 spaces. I'm going right 3 spaces, but it's not up 2 in value. Remember, these are counting by 2s. 12, 14, 16. So this is actually up 4. This is right. Oh, this isn't 6. This is counting by 5s. 5, 10. So 5, 10, 15. Right 15. So let's do the change in cost, total cost, over the change in number of rides. We went up 4, right 15. So up positive 4, right positive 15. Oops. A positive over positive is a positive 4 over 15. We can't reduce that. This one I will have to do here. 4 over 15. 4 over 15. 0.266 repeating. All right. 0.266 repeating. It only had a 7 at the end, remember? Because it rounded it. So the cost... Oh, I don't know what happened there. I don't know what happened to this whole word. The cost increased by $4. $4. When the number of rides increases by 15 rides, I guess. 15 rides. Cool. So we're talking about the cost. Cost is our dependent. Started off at $12? Yeah, $12. Oh. And it increased by, I can't even write. increase by 4/15 of a dollar for every ride. Kind of weird way of thinking about it. The cost was originally $12 and it increased by about about 26 cents. About 26 cents every ride. So not too bad. That makes a little more sense. Let's write this the other way. The cost was $4 for every 15 rides, or 4/15 of a dollar for every ride, plus the original $12. So the cost was about 26 cents per ride, plus the original $12. Okay, last one. Zane is playing a video game and he loses lives. Oh, okay, so this different person that's losing. We jump up to 20, 23, 26, 29, 32, 35. Okay, 2, 4, 6, 8, just to get my bearings. So 0, comma 35. So he's playing a game, he's losing lives. So he starts off with 35 lives. So Zane starts off with 35 lives. Cool. Ready to change. So change in lives of the change in minutes. So it looks, well, let's find these nice ones first. Okay, cool. This reminds me of the other one so far. Down 1, right 2. But you see the mistake is that it's not down 1, right 2. It's down 1 spaces. But this is actually counting by 3, so down 3. And this is right 2, but it's worth 4. So down 3, right 4. So down 3 is negative 3, right 4 is positive 4. A negative over positive is a negative 3 over 4. Which I know is negative 0.75. Oops. Cool. So the number of lives in this situation decreases by 3 lives when the time, we'll just put time, increases by 4 minutes. Remember, we want to use this one. Technically, you could use the, well, I mean, you could use this one too if you want. It's just over 1. Yeah, I mean, but this simplified fraction is the one we like to use here, or I would like you to use in your explanation. So our equation, we're talking about the number of lives. They start off at, I don't remember, 35. Number of lives is 35, or the number of lives remaining is 35 minus 3/4 of a life every minute. Yeah, every minute. 3/4 every minute. Okay. And we can say it's the number of lives is 35 minus 75 hundredths of a life every minute. Kind of a weird way of thinking about it. And the number of lives, or unconventional, I'll say. The number of lives could also, well, let me do this. Remember that negative is with the fraction. The negative is with that decimal and the m. So we're going to carry it over here. So negative 3/4 m, and then that's a positive 35, so plus 35. And then in L equals, negative 0.75 m, positive 35, so plus 35. Cool. So that's it. Thank you.